Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss why building wealth takes time and how this will help you gain more wealth over the long run. But before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." We will reply to as many comments as possible on this video. Watch this video until the end to learn of several factors that make building wealth a marathon, not a sprint. But before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed." We will reply to as many comments as possible on this video. Okay, let's get started. Have you ever heard the saying, "It will not happen overnight"? If not, you must have lived under a rock for most of your life. But let us break that down for just a moment. Many things in life can and do happen overnight. Your phone charges overnight, that Brita you filled up should be filtered through by the time you wake up the next morning, and that new video that you uploaded will accumulate new views overnight as you sleep. However, are those things the best things that could happen in your life? Will those things, although needed, bring you ultimate joy? I will step comfortably out on the limb and say no. The best things in life that will bring joy and real comfort take time, and obtaining this comfort level will take money. This leads me to the point of this video. Building wealth, as with anything else of a significant magnitude in life, takes time. Number 1. Why build wealth? First, let us understand why you want to build wealth. Sometimes we can get sidetracked in our day-to-day life, and we may tend to lose focus of our goals or even our wants and needs. So, why do you want to build wealth? As mentioned earlier, the more important things we may want in life take time to achieve and do not happen overnight. Maybe you want to purchase your first home. Not just any home, but a luxurious 5,000 square foot dream home that comes equipped with an elegant, custom-built, oasis-style swimming pool that overlooks the sea with a picturesque mountain backdrop. And maybe you are raising children that will someday head off to one of those many expensive universities around the globe. Or perhaps it is that bucket list around the world vacation that you want to take with that special someone. Unfortunately, all these things require a level of wealth and freedom that you will not find from a typical 9-to-5 job. Moreover, there are many reasons why you should build your wealth. Not only will it provide financial security, but also it will give you the freedom that does not come with the everyday rat race. So, if you have determined that being wealthy is important to you and your family, the next step is to understand how to get on the path to becoming wealthy. Number 2, understanding the path to wealth. Once you begin to think rich, this process will be easier than you could have ever imagined. The most important, and for some, the most challenging thing to understand and apply to your everyday life is patience, discipline, and sacrifice. Without these characteristics, the probability of you reaching financial freedom will be minimal, if any chance at all. Through your journey, keep in mind that, unlike those born into wealth, self-made millionaires and billionaires were once just like you. They worked long hours. They had to deal with bosses and work politics that they may not have liked. Some worked years without going on a vacation, and still, at the end of the month, ends were barely met. And just like you, they got tired of it all and wanted to go after their dream instead of someone else's. So stay motivated, because just like them, that dream is obtainable for you as well. This is where patience will be vital. Understanding the path to wealth and how to build it is quite simple. First, you must make money. However, you must make enough money to cover your necessities while still having enough left over to start your journey. If your only source of income only covers the bare necessities, looking into creating other streams of income to increase your revenue will be your best option. Where will that extra money go, you ask? It will go to a savings account, which is the second step of this tedious voyage. This is where discipline will come into play. The savings goal here is to budget and develop a proactive savings plan that aligns with your current financial reality. So, instead of spending money on those things that will only serve as instant gratification, set those funds aside. Ask yourself before making a purchase, do you really need this? Keeping track of your daily spending is another way to understand what you are spending money on visually and its importance. Remember, the fact that you want it does not mean you need it. Do you really need that brand new Lexus when your 6-year-old 100% paid for Toyota Camry still has no mechanical issues? This is where sacrifice comes into play. Please do this for about a month, and to make it easy, use a financial app to help make it effortless. Realizing how you spend will help you control what you spend and where to make necessary adjustments. For example, maybe you take your lunch to work 3 days a week and only eat out twice. Lastly, once you have made your money and saved the extra, now is the time to invest. Having a traditional savings account is okay, but not really. Why? Well, there are several reasons. 1. The money will always be accessible for spending. There are no penalties involved in withdrawing this money, so if you come to a weak point, you may be tempted to tamper with the off-limits funds. 2. There are little to no benefits to continuing to save your money in a cookie jar or the local Bank of America branch if building wealth is what you want. Although your dollar amount will not decrease in value, the interest rates associated will not allow your money to grow in value. Once you reach your savings goal, it's time to make that money work for you. Whether it is your company's 401k plan or an IRA account, these savings platforms come with some risk. However, those risks will prove profitable if planned correctly. Investment tools such as Robinhood, Stash, and Acorns make investing easy from the convenience of your phone. For those who would rather have a financial advisor to help them along the way, investment tools such as Wealthfront, Betterment, or M1 Finance might be your best choice. Please see the links below. Number 3. Take care of self first. If you cannot help yourself, you will never be in a position to help anyone else. If that still doesn't make sense, imagine you flying from your city to your next destination. If you fly often, you know the routine. When going through the safety drill before takeoff, the flight attendant reminds you that in case of emergency, you should always put your oxygen mask on first before helping anyone else. The reason is that if you pass out, then you are no help to anyone else, and sadly, you might be a burden on others. Now, apply this same concept to life. As decent human beings, the one thing that we all want to do is help everyone. That means something to us once we get a few dollars in our pockets. Please do not attack me when I say this, but you cannot do this, even if those people are family. By doing this, everything that you had worked so hard for can go down the drain quicker than you were able to build it. When building your wealth, you must make sure you are on solid ground before extending any financial favors. And even if you are on solid ground, you should still be careful about taking care of other people's financial needs. Think of it like winning the lottery. One might think that winning the $5 million jackpot would set you up for life, which it should if budgeted and planned correctly. However, imagine the second scenario, where you do not plan, budget, invest, or have a financial advisor to help keep you on track. Instead, you give the money away frivolously to clothes, cars, and family members. How long do you think that money will be around if that money is not continuously making money or being handled professionally? You got it, not long at all. But if you are disciplined and continue your path to building wealth and stick to that path, taking care of yourself first will come naturally. Number 4, surround yourself with like-minded people. Not only do you want to surround yourself with like-minded people, but also you want to surround yourself with individuals that are better than you. Not merely better in one area of your life, but all aspects of your life. To succeed in wealth building, you must let people go, or at least distance yourself from people who are not helping you grow. Sadly, this may include family members. Never let someone else be the reason that you are unable to achieve what you have set out to achieve. Find someone who has or is currently achieving the same greatness you seek and learn from them. Watch what they are doing and repeat. And even if you cannot have these individuals personally in your life, you can learn from afar. Remember, rich people learn from rich people. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. Conclusion: building wealth is not something that will happen overnight. However, if you equip yourself with patience, discipline, and the knowledge to know that there will be some sacrifices, then obtaining wealth is possible. Moreover, understanding the path to wealth is the first step into your journey. Making money, saving money, and then investing that money are the formula for success. And the more of each that you can do, the quicker you will reach your goals. All you must do is start. With that said, staying open-minded, motivated, proactive, and not afraid to let go of toxic people will keep you on the right path. I cannot wait to see you at the top. You got this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.